take a look at Instagram in 5 minutes. First off, find Instagram. Launch it. What you see when you launch your Instagram is your feed. These are all the people that you follow, what they've posted in the last little while. And if you scroll down, you can see what everyone's posted. You can see when they posted it. You can see the comments, what people have said about it. You can see everything about people you follow. And this is where you can also like and comment on other people's posts. So for example, if I really like this post, which I do, Beautiful Winter Wonderland, you can like it by pressing the like button. You can comment and add a comment. And this is where you see all the photos. The next part of Instagram that you'll want to check out is most likely adding your own posts. First off, you're going to want to allow Instagram to access the camera. By doing so, you can take pictures of just about anything you want. Or you can allow them, and you can see what photos you've previously taken and post those. When you select a photo, you're then allowed to access all sorts of filters that make the photo look slightly different, more appealing, sometimes not as appealing. And you can change to any number of different filters. You can also play around with an individual filter by accessing the various features such as brightness, contrast, warmth, saturation, so on and so forth. And this is where you can really get into adjusting filters to what you like best. But once you've set your filter, you then click on Next. And this is where you write a caption for the photo that you've taken. And so it can be anything you want. You can tag people in it as well. So if you've taken a picture of someone else who's also on Instagram, you can tag them using. If you don't want to tag them, don't worry. You can add a photo to a map. And so you can identify where this photo is taken. Or you can post to the various other social medias that you have an account to, Facebook, Twitter, Flickr, or Tumblr. Once you've done that, you're going to hit share. Since I'm not going to do that, I'm going to take it back out. And so one of the other things that you can do is you can take a look at what people have said about photos that you've posted or what other people have said about photos that they have liked or commented on. So this is your activity feed. So again, the heart with a little bubble, the speech bubble. And so automatically it's going to go to you. So what people have done to your photos, such as liked or posted comments, and when they've done that. Or what other people have said about other people's photos. So if you want to kind of take a look at what other people are doing and saying, you can see that here. The other feature here is the search feature. You can search based on photos, and these are all suggestions based on who you follow and what you've liked. So if you like a lot of food photos, it might say that. If you like sports, so on and so forth, or by the people who are in your Instagram account. And you can also search based on other people. So this will address your contact list and access your contact list and suggest various people to follow. And you'll also find that within this, you'll find a lot of celebrities that have been pushed on you, and you can either decide to follow them, such as Katy Perry or that, or not. The last part here is your profile. This is where you can edit your profile. You can edit posts. You can take a look at posts based on the larger visual and the comments that follow, or simple little visuals, and then you can select any number of these and then blow it up into a larger size and see the comments and so on. You can also see if you again have allowed the access of your photo map, it will sort them based on where they've been taken, okay, or in terms of the people that you've tagged. But again, I haven't done either of those, so it's not going to do that. You can also edit your profile here, change your name, your username, add your website, add a little bio, change your password, right, and do all of those things. And lastly is the settings, and this is where you can find people to follow, support center, and various settings that you can do. This is also where you log out if you need to. So that's Instagram in 5 minutes.